Hey everyone, it's Barbara Rosgoni from NSA Carolinas, National Speakers Association Carolinas chapter. And today I am here with Larry Long Jr., who's going to get us all informed, excited, and ready for our annual banquet, which is June 10th and 11th in Raleigh. So Larry, hi.
What's going on, Barbara? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Is this
I
thing
can
on?
hear you.
How about this one?
I love it. Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. So, Larry, you are incoming chair of programs, and you've been so great to help us get this program together. We have two exciting speakers. So, can you tell us a little bit about how we decided to have Meridith and Bill be our speakers and what they're going to talk about?
Yes, well, Meridith Elliott Powell is an amazing member of NSA Carolinas, an awesome leader, and this is near and dear to my heart. She's going to be speaking about sales. That naughty word sales, but I love it because she calls it sales redefined, and she uses 3 Ds. Dominate, differentiate, and deliver. So for me, being that I have a sales background, I work with sales organizations, I can't wait. She's talking about how sales is changing, it's transforming, and how we've got to do things differently than the way that we've done them before, especially as speakers. How do we build our reputation? How do we make sure that we're able to properly engage and meet our marketplace where they're at? And ultimately, which is what we're all here for. How do we get results? So I'm going to be there taking notes furiously as she brings an interactive program, which whenever you can immerse yourself, woo, the knowledge, dynamite.
Oh, absolutely. And when you're in a room like that with other people who are on the same wavelength, oh my gosh, it just seems like you get exponential results. And you're so right about sales. As someone who was a sales trainer, I was a national sales trainer before I started my company. Sales has changed so much. And even in the past few months, it seems like last week. So it's going to be great to know what's working right now in the moment and learn from someone who's a master.
Oh, big time.
Very
You don't
exciting.
want to miss it on Friday night. Oh, I can't wait for her keynote.
Yeah, that's going to be wonderful. And I guess I think we have dinner Friday night.
We
So,
do.
yeah.
We have dinner and officer installation. We're having the award ceremony.
What?
And we've got the after party. We're going to a speakeasy. I don't know if we have to do the special knock to get in, but we're going to have a good old time Friday, which leads us into, we've got an action-packed day on Saturday.
Tell us about that.
Oh, goodness gracious. I cannot wait. We're bringing in Bill Cates. Now, I had the opportunity to meet Bill at Influence in Las Vegas last year, 2021. And I saw Bill on the main stage. And Bill is the author of a book, Radical Relevance. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but he actually gave me a signed copy of his book, Radical Relevance. And Bill, I don't know if you know this, but Bill is a fellow University of Maryland. He's a Terrapin. Go Terps. So we made that instant connection, and his presentation, I get chills just thinking about it. How to build a $1 million speaking business. And he's taking us through an interactive workshop. So I'm not in this for the money. I'm in this to help people and change lives. And the money is an added bonus. So when he said how to build $1 million speaking business, my ears perked up and I said, hey, Bill, there's a reason why we got you coming in. Go ahead and give us all the secrets, all the goodies, because Bill has had a business where he's earned $1 million. I think it's 10 plus years. So he's been there, done that. I said, Bill, will you be my Sherpa? Will you be my guide as I try to navigate to the top of the mountain? He said, I'll be there, Larry. So Saturday, June the 11th, we've got Bill coming in for an awesome program.
Yeah, I can't wait. And really, Bill's book was the basis for Influence last summer. I mean, that was the theme, and the interview he had where he talked about his ideas. It was very exciting. So I can't wait to hear more.
Oh, big time. And Radical Relevance. I mean, in his session, he's going to talk about how can you remain relevant, which is what we're all, with things changing so quickly, with so much chaos, turbulence. there's really an opportunity for us as speakers to learn and to serve those that we work with. So I'm excited to hear just his insights, his feedback, and the interactive workshop. That's the way that I learn best, is that interaction. If you're just giving it to me like we're in a college, on a college campus where it's just a lecture, blah, 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 ain't nobody got time for that.
Right.
We're not going to have that, which is why we're bringing in Meridith Elliott Powell and Bill Cates for an action-packed, just an annual awards banquet and keynotes. I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't either. And I've sat with you, Larry, at some of these programs where we've talked about what are our takeaways. And I think it's interesting to see how everyone processes the information, because we all hear different things. And it's really great to break it down and say, this is what I'm going to do. So yes, it's very exciting. It's going to be wonderful to be back in person in Raleigh. I guess the City Club has great views. I've never been there, but
wow.
Tell us about the City Club.
It's unbelievable. I mean, it's if someone is out there noodling, if you're noodling on, should I stay or should I go? Let me help you. Don't noodle anymore. We'll see you on Friday, June the 10th, I think it is, and Saturday, June the 11th. Did I get my dates right?
You have them right on, Larry. So yes. Okay, everyone, take it from the man who has not one, but two microphones and probably more than that. But thank you, Larry. Oh boy.
And you know me all too well, Barbara. I got backup mics. I got a platinum mic. I got a gold mic. I came prepared. We're making sure we have enough mics for everyone. Join us on Friday, June the 10th, Saturday, June the 11th, and come and grab your mic. Just don't drop it.
Exactly. Yes. Well, we'll look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much, Larry. Can't wait to see Meridith and Bill and everyone who's going to join us. It's going to be an excellent day, and it's going to make the rest of this year the best ever. See you there.
Thank you.